In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online, a task that some may find a bit daunting at first. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident and ready to handle any transaction splits with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online, open up your favorite web browser, such as Chrome, and type in the URL https://qbo.intuit.com. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Input your email and password to access your account. This process grants you access to all the tools QuickBooks has to offer, streamlining your transaction management efficiently. Next, it's time to access the transaction that you want to split. Over on the left-hand side nav, you'll find the banking menu. Click on this menu to display a list of your linked bank accounts. Locate the specific bank account where the transaction has been recorded. Browse through the list of transactions to find the one you need, whether it's a payment or an expense. Once you found it, look to the right in the category column. You'll see an option labeled Split. Click on that to proceed. Now, we move into the process of splitting the transaction. A window titled Split Transaction will appear. This is where you will divide the transaction amount among different accounts. To the left, you'll see a category or account field. Click on it to choose the respective accounts for each portion of your transaction. Directly beside it, you'll enter the amounts that need to go into each account. Remember, the total of these split amounts must match the original transaction amount accurately. This ensures your financial records remain balanced and accurate. If needed, there is also a memo field where you can add any explanatory notes. These notes can be helpful for future reference or for anyone else reviewing the transaction later on. Once you're satisfied with your splits, it's time to save your work. If this is the only transaction you're working on today, click Save and Close. However, if you've got more transactions to split, Save and New will quickly bring you back into the split transaction window to start the process again with the next one. Finally, to ensure everything has been recorded accurately, it's essential to verify your split. Navigate to the accounting menu, then click on Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see a list of accounts where you can click View Register on the accounts you affected. This allows you to see the split amounts reflected correctly. Taking this step gives you peace of mind that everything is just as it should be. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently split transactions in QuickBooks Online. Remember, practice will make this process second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!